side hates three things: free markets, free will, and free men.
Any leak is a bad leak. Report any unexplained water.
Welcome to the Circus of Value! Come back when you get some money, buddy! Fill your crate with the Circus of Value!
The great king and the great princess.
Who needs to make it on Broadway?
Parasite wanders so
Murder you?
Clean this place. Scrub it down. Roll like this is our place.
Die already!
Die here and now, parasite. All roads in Rapture lead to Ryan. Security, the splicers, the big daddies, the little sisters. He pumps some kind of chemical scent in the air. Pheromones, they call it. Makes them all dance to his tune.
German prison camp, they put me to work on genetic experiments on other prisoners. They call me das Wunderkind, a wonder child. Germans. All they can talk about is blue eyes and the shape of forehead. All I care about is why is this one born strong and that one weak? This one smart, that one stupid. All that killing. You think the Germans could have been interested in something useful?
The flowers in spring, the robins that sing, the sunbeams that shine, they're yours, they're mine, and love can come to end.
Throw objects at foes. You can even catch grenades and throw them back.
The best things in life are free.
Honey, belong to it. You know, the best things in life, and the stars, they belong there. There's a guy
sunshine, they're yours, they're mine, and everyone. The best things in life are free. The best things in life are free.
Andrew Ryan asks you a...
Wallet a little light and surgical. Terminal illnesses won't wait.
Hide! The rest of you! Keep away from my patients! There's semen on everything! Everything! Oh no! Look at filthy! Better that way. Get him! Have your husband staring to bits!
looking for. Just open your eye, and when I see her, she cuts me into 1,000 beautiful pieces.
What can I do with this one, Aphrodite? She won't stay still! I want to make them beautiful, but they always turn out wrong! That was too fat! This one too tall! This one too symmetrical! And now, what's this goddess? An intruder! He's ugly! 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 Look at you! Look at you! Oh, sweet Aphrodite! Why did I always run? help me find...
Welcome to the Circus of Value!
Patient nurse!
Shows you what your buddy knows. Open genetic horizons for a trial of fresh air.
Sounds like another tunnel collapse. Welcome to Rapture, the world's fastest growing pilot joke. It's a little one. Here's your chance to get some Adam.
Stay away from her, or it is you who will be shot next.
Easy now, Doctor. He's just looking for a wee bit of Adam. Just enough to get by.
I'll not have him hurt my little ones.
It's okay, lad. That's not a child. Not anymore, it ain't. Dr. Tenenbaum saw to that.
Bitte do not hurt her. Have you...
Aye, that's a pretty sermon coming from the ghoul who cooked up them creatures in the first place. Took fine little girls and turned them into that, didn't you? Listen to me, boyo. You won't survive without the Adam those things are carrying. Are you prepared to trade your life, the lives of my wife and child, for Tenenbaum's of Frankenstein?
Here! There is another way. Use this. Free them from their torment. I will make it to be worth your while. Somehow.
The path of the righteous is not always easy, yes. The reward will become clear in time. Be patient.
Tenenbaum's playing you for a sap. Those things may look like wee little girls, but looks don't make it so. You need all the Adam you can get to survive. If you cross paths with another of them gatherers garden machines, make sure you pick up a new plasmid or two. That's if the price ain't too dear, of course.
Not only are those little girls veritable atom factories, they're nearly indestructible. They regenerate any wounded flesh with stem versions of the dead cells. But their relationship with the implanted slugs is symbiotic. If you harvest the slug, the host will die. So you see, it's not like killing, Tenenbaum said. It's more like removing a terminal patient from life support.
What is the greatest lie ever?
You're ready now. Time to take on one of them big daddies. It won't be easy, but it's the only way to get to little sister and the Adam they carry. before you know it.
Hey there.
Welcome to the Circus of Value!
To the big game tonight? I heard Ryan's Raiders are playing.
No way.
Nurse, help me find this patient, nurse.